So today I'm going to show you a craft that I actually obtained from my mom. You're going to need a bar of white soap. Actually, you could probably use a colored soap, but this is what I have on hand. I have 3 bars of Dove, and I have this beautiful napkin that has a lot of different prints regarding lavender, actually one of my favorite flowers. And this is a 2-ply napkin, so I have to make sure that I take both plies off the back. What's great about this craft is you can pick any napkin that that matches your decor. So then I took a pair of scissors and cut up sections of the napkin, 3. I just basically used the already folded creased areas as a guide. So I took some Mod Podge and applied it to the top of my first bar of soap. Grabbed the napkin, decided where I wanted it to be placed, and just with a dabbing motion made it adhere and took another layer of the Mod Podge. Now once this layer's on, it gives the edge the ability to soften, and you can basically just peel the excess napkin right off. And it's really that easy. So you'll see me do this 2 more times. You're going to apply the Mod Podge. And each time I just picked a different section of the napkin, so each bar of soap was a little different. And when you apply the second coat of Mod Podge, you want to make sure you hit the edges and get the edges wet. And that's going to allow you to peel off the excess more easily. Because if those edges aren't wet, it will pull the napkin with, the part that you want to remain there, it will pull that with you. So this is my last bar of soap. So now once this is done, I'm just going to set the 3 aside to dry. And once they are dried, I picked up this other product from Amazon. There you go. So this is the next product I picked up. It's from Deco Art. It's called Duro Clean, and it's a satin varnish. Guys, people do claim that it's non-toxic and that you can actually use the bar of soap when you're done. I'm not going to state that claim. Do your homework. But this is a very clear varnish, and it's very easy to apply. And you're going to want, after the application, to put about 5 layers of this varnish, each layer after it dries. It really dries in about 30 minutes, and you can put on your next coat. So about 5 layers and you're pretty much done. My mom does use her soap, and she says it takes quite a while to get down to the napkin. Again, do your homework. I don't know if that's safe or not, but it is very beautiful in a bathroom dish. So if you enjoyed this, go check out our YouTube channel. Thank you.